Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the basics, but move straight into action. First, physically check the jack and USB ports to make sure the cable is fully seated. You want a solid connection. Once done, open Sound Settings and identify the playback device name. Make sure Device Manager is open. Set it to show hidden and disabled devices so you can see everything. This exposes missing or disabled entries you'll fix in the next steps. Now you tackle drivers and configuration. You should uninstall the audio device driver from Device Manager, then restart Windows so it reinstalls a clean driver automatically. This often clears corruption. Next, go to Playback Devices, right-click the correct device and set it as Default Communication and Default Device. This ensures audio routes properly. If you're unsure, run the built-in audio troubleshooter. It runs checks and applies fixes automatically. Finish by confirming system services and alternatives. You need to open services and make sure Windows Audio and its dependencies are running and set to automatic. Restarting them can restore audio instantly. If the device is onboard, check BIOS or UEFI to confirm the audio controller is enabled. Finally, test with another cable or an external USB DAC or Bluetooth headset to isolate hardware faults. If it still fails, recheck drivers and consider a system restore point made before the issue started.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.